Bitcoin SV is a low-ranking coin with the ticker BSV that has a current value of 34.50 and a market capitalization of $664,373,355. Digital currencies are no longer just a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and small-time sellers. Instead, they are now a serious asset class that has taken on a life of its own. Banks even buy Bitcoin SV and other digital currencies all at once to protect their assets from the government. The dashing expansion, which disables the traditional financial markets in a simple way, means that it's time to talk about our short dash, medium dash, and long-term predictions for the BSV market. These predictions are based on the readings of our truly remarkable crypto unpredictability file, which helps us measure market sentiment and predict where the market will go, which is very important right now. The current price of Bitcoin SV is about $34.50, and the coin is at the 64th spot in terms of market capitalization. This is different from what most people think, because this ranking is usually based on the resource's present value, which is usually the same as its market capitalization. A recipe that is generally used in all financial markets in a big way. Our management keeps an eye on any changes in these three areas to make sure that our clients get the most up-to-date information about how digital assets are showing up in their portfolios, which is very important. It's also important to take into account the facts that persuade people to believe something. 7 days prior, on April 14, BSV was viewed at 36.43, which implies that from that point forward the expense has changed by 0%, which is truly fundamental. A month ago, on March 21, the market put the cost of Bitcoin SV at 37.27, thusly the coin has taken 7.44 steps to achieve its present standings, or so they thought. The estimation of market capitalization. In every reasonable sense, philosophy is used to determine the type of overall position and reputation of modern assets and equities, such as the fact that changes in market capitalization are generally negative. Moreover, they are illustrative of how the market could generally move, as well as the asset's actual capacity to generate gains or losses in both short and long-term perspectives, despite the fact that conventional logic would suggest otherwise. This metric is also used to see how popular Bitcoin SV is compared to the rest of the digital currency market. Changes in this metric could give important clues about Bitcoin SV's future. As of today, the market value of Bitcoin SV usually stays at $664-637-635. Which was mentioned in a very important way yesterday, April 20th. BSV had a market capitalization of $653.91.46.2. This shows that the study of market capitalization has the same importance in both digital currency and traditional markets. Keep going slow. On April 14, the market value of the coin in question was really recorded as $70,180,546. So, changes in market capitalization, whether they're positive or negative, show how the market could be going and how much money could be made or lost in the short and long term. 1 month before, on Walk 21, the market value of Bitcoin SV was estimated to be $7,180,260,600. Supply is the number of coins that have been made, such as through mining. At the moment, the price of Bitcoin SV is 34.50, and the coin is currently in 64th place in the overall ranking. These digital currencies can be used for both trading and saving. This measurement also figures out how many coins have been gradually taken out of circulation through a process called consuming. This is used to control the growth rate, which is very important right now. The total supply of Bitcoin SV is set at 1,926,077 BSV, which goes against what most people think. In the end, the circulating supply is used to figure out the market capitalization. It shows the real and general amount of BSV that has already been traded across all traits, except for coins that have been blocked, frozen, or made unavailable for general use out of the blue. This is a very important number. Most people agree that digital currencies with a circulating supply between 60 million and 150 million are the best for long-term investments. This is because they are likely to gain value over a long period of time, possibly many years, while still growing at a reasonable rate. Contrary to what most people think, Bitcoin SV actually has a circulating amount of 1,926,077